Hey guys, I'm back for another video. I just left Sephora. Definitely had to pick up the new Fenty foundation. To be honest, I have not done any makeup shopping in the last year because at one point I was getting so much makeup in PR packages and I just do not like to hoard too much makeup. But I definitely could not pass up on the Fenty foundation because I passed up on her first launch. Reason being is because I knew that it was a matte formula. I don't really wear matte foundations. I have very dry skin, so I tend to go for semi-matte and satin finish foundations. So when she came out with the new hydrating foundation, I said I'm definitely there for that. I picked up the shade 440. I also picked up the Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Concealer. I went up 2 shades, 420 as my under eye highlight. And I picked up the Pro Filt'R Setting Powder in Hazelnut. They also had one shade up, I think it was Honey. It looked a little too light, so I said, let me stick with this one. And it seems like it might be a good match to set under my eye. So these products retailed all for about $100. I usually don't like to buy it all in one trip. In my mind, if I do it in separate trips, I don't feel so bad about spending so much on makeup. But it's Riri, so we are going to support the girl, okay? So I didn't pick up her primer. I did use the Smashbox Super Light Smooth and Blur Primer. I've never used this, so I mean, I like Smashbox primers. So I'm gonna start with about 2 pumps. And I'm using the e.l.f. powder brush. I love this brush for foundation, y'all. I really, really do. It just really blends things out nicely. Okay, so 2 pumps was a lot. So I'm gonna take that down to the neck as well. The color seems good so far. Okay, so 2 pumps was quite a bit for me. I'm really, really light with my makeup, so it doesn't really have a strong smell, which I like. It kind of smells like moisturizer, honestly. And so far, I think this is a pretty good shade. Okay. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, I think it has pretty good coverage. So yes, the foundation is a keeper. I think I will definitely keep it. Of course, we're gonna see how she wears throughout the day. And hopefully I don't get a reaction because like I said, I have not really switched my foundations in a while, so we shall see. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the concealer. I went with shade 420. I'm hoping that it is light enough for my under eye, so I went up 2 shades. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is a pretty good shade. So if you are interested in the foundation, go up 2 shades for your concealer. So I do like the consistency of this concealer. It feels not too watery. It does feel creamy to me. I'm gonna let it dry down just a little bit and I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. Yeah, I'm loving how this is blending out. I feel like I have control of the concealer. It's not sliding everywhere. Oh yes, that is so pretty. Yeah, that looks pretty good and it's very natural. I think this is the perfect highlight shade. Ooh, that looks really good. It's really, really natural. I love the color. It's not too yellow. It's not too golden. It's perfect. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm just going in with the Anastasia contour palette and just sculpting the face a little bit. Y'all, that looks so good. I'm just still like gagging over that concealer. It looks so good. Y'all, I am loving this so far. Like the foundation literally just melted in my skin. Like I feel like it's super lightweight and yeah, it's just literally melting. Love it. The moment of truth with this powder. Let's see if we can snatch up those bags a little bit with this powder. So this is the shade Hazelnut. Ugh, I might have to take this back and get honey. I don't know, it just looks a little golden for my under eye. But let's try it, let's try it. It might surprise me. I am going to apply it with, let's do one side brush and one side sponge. I'm gonna do this side with the brush. And now let's do this side with the sponge. I just wanna see how they set. I typically don't bake, I just apply it and then blend it out. If I want more of a full coverage, I will use a sponge. All right. So that side is with the sponge. As you can see, it's more full coverage than using the brush. So I think I like it better with the sponge. Okay, so the powder is bomb. Man, this powder is really, really nice. And I'm not mad at it. Like if I wanted to go for a more natural highlight, this color is actually not bad. So I think I will keep this and then just pick up honey when I want to go a little bit lighter. This looks so good. So I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the MAC MSF. Go Riri, like you did your thing. You did your thing with this. I am not mad. I applied more than usual and I still don't feel heavy and caked up. Like in person, this looks just, it looks very clean and polished, and I just still like, I don't feel cakey. I'm just taking a little bit of the cream highlighter from the Black Radiance contour palette. Still one of my favorite highlighters. Lashes on, lips on, and I am just feeling flawless, y'all. Like I love my makeup. Very, very pretty. Love the foundation. It's a perfect match, so I will be keeping this. Love the concealer. It's a perfect shade to highlight with. Very natural, not too light, not too yellow, and not too golden, where it just blends in with my foundation. It's literally a dream. The powder, I love. Literally my under eye looks like flawless, y'all. Like of course, like I said, I think I will go up one shade. I will say that honey might be the better match if I wanted to go for the highlighted look, but I could still use this for every day if I wanted to keep it really natural. So I am happy with my purchase. I love everything. If you want to see more videos like this, trying new products, thumbs up this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.